Markets are crashing again. Bitcoin just took a nosedive and some experts are saying this could be worse than 1987. Is this the beginning of another financial crisis? Are your crypto investments safe? And why are names like Ray Dalio and Jim Cramer warning us about what's coming next? Hi, my name is Lamia, and in this video I break down what caused the sudden collapse, what some are now calling Black Monday 2025, how it compares to the crashes of the past, and most importantly, what this could mean for your money in the weeks ahead. But stay with me, because towards the end of this video, I'm going to reveal the one insight that even top investors are missing right now. And trust me, it could change how you invest forever. Let's hear it. On April 7, 2025, global financial market experienced a major downturn. Dow Jones futures plunged by nearly 800 points. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq followed suit. In Europe and Asia, it was no better. Europe's Stock 600 dropped 5% and Japan's Nike lost over 8%. But it didn't stop there. Crypto took a hit too. Bitcoin tumbled below $77,000, over 10% down from its recent all-time high. Ethereum, XRP, Solana and Dogecoin saw drops at 15% or more. Many investors are asking the same thing. Is this just a dip or something much bigger? The catalysts: a surprising tariff announcement from President Trump, a sweeping 10% tax on all imports into the US, plus targeted tariff up to 54% on China and India. But this wasn't just an economic move, it was seen globally as a direct provocation. Within hours, fear escalated beyond just a trade war. Analysts began warning this could trigger a global conflict, with the term World War III trending across platforms. China hinted a severe retaliation ranging from restricting US tech companies, cutting off rates, earth mineral exports, to dumping US Treasury bonds. The market reacted instantly. Panic selling kicked in and fear of the global recession started spreading like wildfire. This situation is drowning. Comparison to the infamous Black Monday of 1987, a massive one-day crash that shook the financial world. Could history be repeating itself? Well, voices like Ray Dalio think so, and they've been warning us for years. Dalio, the billionaire investor behind Bridgewater Associates, has talked repeatedly about the US entering a debt death spiral. He says, if we don't reduce budget deficits soon, we're heading for a full-blown economic heart attack. He breaks this down further in his upcoming book, How Countries Go Broke, where he explains how short-term debt cycles can pile up into one massive long-term collapse if governments don't react fast. But Dalio isn't alone. CNBC's Jim Cramer also raised red flags this week. He posted, if the president doesn't try to reach out and reward these countries and companies that play by the rules, then the 1987 scenario, the one where we went down 3 days and then down 22% on Monday, has the most contingency. So what should you be doing right now? Dalio's biggest advice: diversify. Don't bet everything on one horse. Build a portfolio with uncorrelated assets, so when one crash, another can survive or thrive. That's how the ultra wealthy stay safe through volatility. Also, keep your eyes open. Adaptability is your secret weapon. The next few weeks will be full of noise, fear and misinformation, but those who stay calm and make strategic move, not emotional one, will come out stronger. And here's the insight I promised earlier. The biggest risk right now, it's not just the crash, it's missing the recovery. Every major downturn in history has created life-changing opportunities, but only for those who are prepared. Always remember what Warren Buffett said: be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Because when the crowd panic, the smart money position itself for the next wave. Don't attach emotions to the game. When you do so, you lose. See crashes not as ending, but as resets. Zoom out, get strategic. This is where wealth quietly shifts hands. Every crash brings pain, but it also brings perspective. And from a different perspective, you will see what most people miss. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you follow us on X at Lamia Web3 Crypto, where I share real-time updates, insights, and alpha. And also don't forget to join our community on Telegram, where we talk strategy, new tokens, and how to build real financial freedom through crypto and Web3. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so. Stay safe, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.